What is up, Mumphy Mafia? Hope you're all doing well. Here I am, popping back up. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update about what's been going on. Yeah, life has been a little busy. Work has kind of taken over for Mumphy and haven't really been able to put out too many videos for you guys. I do have one or two things to add to the truck, but other than kind of what you see, I don't have too much in the way of adding to it. But I do have the rear sumo springs that I still need to install on the truck. And as far as gear goes, I do have a new bit of gear to kind of show you. And if you guys are familiar with Geyser and have seen them out at the new expos, they've got a new cool little piece of kit that's going to save even more water than their camp shower. So I'll be bringing that to you here pretty soon. Another thing, I do want to get some more organizational stuff for the truck. Just this last little camp trip that you'll see in tomorrow's video kind of sparked some ideas for some organizational stuff. So I'm going to try and work with a local guy here that makes some bags. You might have seen a couple of his things that I pointed out in some photos over on Instagram, but I'll keep you in the loop for those. So be sure to stay tuned. And other than that, videos will be coming. So thank you so much for sticking around. Make sure you're subscribed, all that other fun stuff. I also just started a Patreon page, trying to get some feelers out there, still kind of populating it a little bit, but check the link down below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.